Hello everyone, today we are heading towards Griffith to see a lookout point called Hermit's Cave. The cave was once a home for a miner named Valerio Ricetti, if I'm not wrong, who lived there for many years. So this is the Hermit's Cave lookout point. From here you can see whole Griffith and it's a breathtaking view. Not that steep, it's walkable. So, and that's the Griffith from here. Let me show you the sign. Let's walk. We haven't reached the point yet. Just look at the rocks. And I came from this side. He made this his chapel area. You can see the sign. So it's getting dark. We have to really go quickly now. Came down from here. We're in the middle. It says main cave this way, so let's go. So this side is the Griffith city and that side is the cave. Stay with me. People actually lived here. You can see he made a room for himself. Griffith Council is preserving it as a heritage site. So let's go inside. Well, I cannot give you an inside tour. It's too dark and I'm a little bit afraid. Sorry. So this is his kitchen area where he cooked his meal. I just can't believe somebody survived here. Look at this place. Especially when it's dark. How he lived here in the dark. Get out from the cave, his cave actually, he get this view. Can you believe this? That was his cave, his place. And here is some information. Let me see, I can show you the face. That's the guy. Wow. So here is people finding him. This is the guy. That's his place. It's dark, as you can see. We have to go up now, so I'm not gonna shoot anymore because I have to go up and we're the only people here. So stay tuned for my next vlog. So we have arrived. As you can see, it's fully golden now, but it was a good hike.